Hi everyone, welcome to WinX DVD channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to compress video for uploading to Instagram without losing quality. And it just needs 4 simple steps. If you also want to know the best export settings for Instagram videos, keep watching. It's the fact that uploading HD videos to Instagram is tough. No matter how high quality the video is on your phone, it comes out very poor quality and blurry. To avoid the aggressive file size compression algorithm of Instagram, you'd better compress the video to smaller size in advance. With WinX Video Converter, you can easily make videos smaller for Instagram in 4 steps. First, open the program and click video in the upper left. After your video is loaded, an output profile window pops up automatically. Here we need to choose one suitable format for uploading IG videos, and MP4 is always our first choice. But not only that, we summarize the best export settings for Instagram, including recommended aspect ratio, resolution, frame rate. You can pause the video for seconds to get more details. So here we just choose MP4 video. And now, click on the gear shape button here. You can directly adjust these video options by our given reference data. At last, click on Use High Quality Engine and Deinterlacing to enhance the output video quality, then click the Run button to start compressing. Once done, you are able to post high quality video to Instagram without losing quality. So, that is how you can easily compress video for IG without losing quality. WinX Video Converter is a professional tool for compress, rip any video to any format, including 4K format. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.